Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for coming by the channel today. I'm very excited to share with you a brand new product that I just received from my friends over at PolarPro. This is for the Osmo Pocket. This is the standard 6-pack ND filters. I'm so excited for these. I can't wait to show them to you. Let's open them up and take a look and see what's inside. This has been filmed entirely on the Osmo Pocket. Just a couple of days in having it, very impressed with it. Great quality. Waiting for some more accessories to come out. I know PolarPro has some new ones coming out. Can't wait for those. Also, too, can't wait for the mic adapter. All the audio that you're hearing, we'll see how it sounds, but I think most of it I'm going to use. I have a Rode Video mic that I have off here to the side that I'm using. So we'll take a look. All right, so here we go. So the package is open. A little information packet here from PolarPro. Always love PolarPro's packaging. Always great. Put together quite well. Comes with a small microfiber cloth to keep the filters clean. The PolarPro limited lifetime warranty. A little advertisement for some more filters that they sell for the full-size DSLR cameras, as well as a little advertisement here for the PolarPro Filter app. Downloadable in the App Store or in the Google Play Store. Here is a little thank you from the company, letting you know, hey, thank you for your purchase. Very cool. And then last but not least, a user's guide over the filters. And then also, here's what everybody's been waiting for. The actual filters themselves are right here. Love the packaging already. So this is nice because the hard case that these are in, it's magnetic closure. Love that. It's one of the things that I like about the filters for the Mavic 2. Same type of case. Hold them in place. It's magnetic closure. It's not gonna fall apart when it's sitting in your bag and things like that. So this particular pack comes with the polarized filter, an ND4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. For what I'm going to be using the Pocket for, I'm not going to need the other ones. And I might invest in those later down the road, but I think this will be enough to get me going. We're going to try them out and hopefully have a video here in the next couple of days to talk about these and show you some before and afters. Hey, thanks for stopping by the channel today. Really appreciate it. If you're new here, please sure to click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and always comment below if you have any questions. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.